A busy weekend. It was Friday afternoon, and Emma was sitting at her desk when her phone rang. She looked at the screen and smiled. It was her old friend, Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. How are you?
Hi, Emma. I'm good, thanks. Listen, I was thinking about this weekend. Do you want to meet up? I feel like we haven't seen each other for ages.
Ages? We met last weekend at the coffee shop, remember?
Oh, right, but that was only for an hour. I mean, really spend time together, you know? Maybe we could go shopping or watch a movie?
That sounds great, but I have to check my schedule. This weekend is going to be really busy for me.
Really? What do you have to do?
Well, on Saturday morning, I have to clean my apartment. It's a complete mess right now. Then in the afternoon, I'm meeting my sister for lunch. We're going to that new Italian restaurant downtown.
Oh, the one next to the bookstore? I heard it's really good.
That's the one. My sister has been wanting to try it for weeks. After lunch, I have to go grocery shopping because my fridge is completely empty. I haven't been shopping for 2 weeks.
2 weeks? What have you been eating?
Mostly takeaway food and whatever I could find in my cupboards. It's terrible, I know, but I've been so busy with work lately.
I understand. Work has been crazy for me too. So what about Saturday evening? Are you free then?
Saturday evening. Let me see. Actually, I'm going to my cousin's birthday party. It starts at 7 o'clock.
Oh, that sounds fun. Is it going to be a big party?
I think so. She invited about 30 people. It's at her house, and she's having a barbecue in the garden. The weather forecast says it's going to be sunny, so it should be perfect.
That does sound perfect. What about Sunday then? Are you free on Sunday?
Sunday is busy too, I'm afraid. In the morning, I'm going to the gym with my brother. We go every Sunday morning at 9 o'clock. It's become our regular routine.
That's great that you exercise regularly. I should do that too. What time do you usually finish at the gym?
We usually finish around 11 o'clock. Then I have to go home and call my grandmother. I call her every Sunday after the gym. She lives in another city, and she gets worried if I don't call.
Aw, that's so sweet of you. Your grandmother must really appreciate those calls.
She does. We usually talk for about an hour. She tells me about her garden, her neighbors, what she's been cooking. You know how grandmothers are.
My grandmother is exactly the same. She can talk for hours about her cats.
Yeah. So, after I call my grandmother, I have to do my laundry. I have a huge pile of dirty clothes waiting for me.
Sunday afternoon sounds busy too then. What about Sunday evening?
Sunday evening. I think I'm free. Wait, let me double check. Yes, I'm definitely free on Sunday evening. What did you have in mind?
Perfect. I was thinking we could go to the cinema. There's a new romantic comedy that just came out. I saw the trailer and it looks really funny.
Oh, I love romantic comedies. What time are the shows?
Let me check online. There are shows at 5:30, 7:15, and 9:45.
The 7:15 show sounds good to me. It's not too early and not too late either.
Great. Should we meet at the cinema or do you want to meet somewhere else first?
Actually, why don't we meet at that cafe across the street from the cinema? We could have coffee and catch up before the movie.
That's a brilliant idea. What time should we meet there?
If the movie starts at 7:15, we should probably meet at 6:30. That gives us 45 minutes to chat and still get good seats.
Perfect. So Sunday at 6:30 at the cafe across from the cinema. I'm so excited. It feels like we never have time to just relax and talk anymore.
I know what you mean. Life has been so hectic lately. This will be really nice.
Oh, I just remembered something. Do you want to grab dinner after the movie? The film is only about 2 hours long, so we'll finish around 9:30.
That sounds lovely, but I have to work early on Monday morning. I have an important meeting at 8 o'clock, so I need to get to bed early on Sunday night.
Oh, that's okay. We can just do coffee before the movie then. Maybe we can have dinner another time during the week.
Actually, that reminds me. Are you free on Wednesday evening? I don't have any plans, and we could try that new Thai restaurant that opened near my office.
Wednesday evening. Let me think. I have yoga class on Wednesday, but it finishes at 6 o'clock. What time were you thinking for dinner?
How about 7:30? That gives you time to go home and change after yoga.
7:30 is perfect. I love Thai food, and I've been wanting to try that place.
Excellent! So we have two plans now.
I'm so happy we're finally making time to see each other properly. These past few weeks have been absolutely crazy.
Tell me about it. Between work, family obligations, and trying to keep up with everything else, it feels like there's never enough time.
I know exactly what you mean. Last weekend, I had to visit my parents, clean my car, do shopping, meet my colleagues for drinks, and somehow find time to do laundry and prepare for the week ahead.
That sounds exhausting. How did you manage to fit everything in?
Honestly, I barely did. I was running around all weekend. On Saturday, I woke up at 7 in the morning and didn't stop until 10 at night.
That's way too much for one day. You need to learn to say no to some things.
You're absolutely right, but it's so hard sometimes. Everyone wants to make plans, and I don't want to disappoint people.
I understand, but you have to take care of yourself too. If you're always busy, you'll get stressed and tired.
You're so wise, Emma. That's why I need these regular catch-ups with you. You always give me good advice.
That's what friends are for. Speaking of being busy, I should probably start thinking about what to wear to my cousin's party tomorrow.
Oh yes, what kind of party is it? Formal or casual?
It's casual. It's a barbecue in the garden, remember? I'm thinking of wearing my blue summer dress with white sandals.
That sounds perfect for a garden party. Is it the blue dress with the flowers on it?
No, that's my other blue dress. This one is plain blue with short sleeves. It's really comfortable and not too fancy.
I remember that dress. It looks great on you. What are you going to give your cousin for her birthday?
I bought her a beautiful scarf and a book. She loves reading, and the scarf matches her favorite color.
That's such a thoughtful gift. She'll love it.
I hope so. Oh, and I should probably think about what to make for the barbecue. Everyone is bringing something to share.
Are you going to cook something or are you going to buy something ready-made?
I think I'll make my famous chocolate brownies. Everyone always asks me to bring them to parties.
Your brownies are incredible. I'm jealous that I won't be there to try them.
Don't worry, I'll save you some. I always make extra anyway.
You're the best. Oh, I just looked at the time. I should probably let you go. It's getting late and you have a busy weekend ahead of you.
You're right. I should probably get some sleep so I can wake up early tomorrow to start cleaning.
Good luck with your cleaning. I hate cleaning, but it always feels so good when it's finished.
Exactly. I'm actually looking forward to having a tidy apartment again. It's been driving me crazy all week.
Well, enjoy your busy weekend and I'll see you on Sunday evening.
I can't wait. Thanks for calling, Sarah. It's always good to hear from you.
Same here. Have a lovely weekend. And say hello to your sister and your cousin for me.
I will. Take care, and I'll see you on Sunday at 6:30.
Perfect. Bye, Emma.
Bye, Sarah.
Emma hung up the phone and smiled. Even though her weekend was going to be incredibly busy, she was happy to have made plans with Sarah. Good friends were so important, and it was worth making time for them, no matter how busy life got. She looked at her calendar one more time. Saturday morning, cleaning, lunch with her sister, grocery shopping, cousin's party. Sunday morning, gym with her brother, phone call with grandmother, laundry, and finally, a relaxing evening with Sarah at the cinema.
It's going to be a busy weekend, but a good one.